Play for the Live is one of the largest urban renewal projects across Australia, and it's designed to create a new and diverse community from an area that was traditionally public housing. So Green Frogs helped us to allow us to have innovative systems in parks, gardens and streets to open up those communities so they can feel safe and happy in their community, but most importantly bring down our energy costs and reduce the cost to our ratepayers.
The lighting solutions that we have to have, both in terms of streets, intersections, parking, technology is playing a huge part in that. Both reduce costs, increase efficiency, give better value for money in terms of the solutions that we've got. And therefore for us to be working with people who understand what's available, when it's available and the cost benefits of that is really a great benefit to a council such as ours.
Green Frog Systems is renowned as being the manufacturer and the supplier of the most ultra-reliable solar lighting systems in the world. So it's enabled us to grow from a small little company in Adelaide to having global presence and global R&D for the most advanced solar lighting technology in the world.
We know that by having these systems supplied by Green Frog Systems allows us to have our community feel safe and access all of the wonderful community facilities, which they wouldn't be able to do without that lighting illuminating these community assets.
And solar has become a fundamental platform upon which we're looking at the future opportunities for us, both in terms of public safety on major intersections as well as our parking areas and our lighting areas around community facilities.
So for the last 2 years, Green Frog Systems has been investing heavily in R&D because our customers are demanding more powerful, more reliable solar lighting solutions for various needs.
The Palms is a residential retirement village in our council area, and we needed to find a solution. We worked with Green Frog Systems in terms of what that system should be, because the traditional lighting systems that we use weren't a viable solution either in time or cost. Now, in 1 week we had a system that was in there, the lighting levels were lifted, the safety was there, which enabled things like the emergency services to locate because they had problems previously, as well as the quality of the lighting systems around for safety of people walking to and from that particular facility.
The City of Playford has embarked on a really ambitious program to renew our community sporting facilities. Now, we know that the standard of lighting needs to be improved. So by having these really wonderful systems that increase the level of lighting at a reduced cost allows us to work really hard in making sure that we have these facilities that meet Australian and national and international sporting standards so our community get the best use out of our sporting facilities close to home.
So for us as a community council, we have to provide the platforms upon which this can take place. And therefore the opportunity to look at technology and assisting us in that particular endeavour or that aim or objective is fundamental to what we're doing with this council.
So I think there's a great opportunity for councils anywhere in Australia to learn and innovate from each other, and as a sector we can do our best to continue to make our local communities great places to live, work and play.